Imagine waking up in a city that doesn't sleep because artificial intelligence is running it. No human drivers, no manual traffic lights, every decision, every movement, every light, controlled by AI. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Across the planet, engineers and scientists are building something extraordinary. Cities powered and managed entirely by AI systems. These aren't just smart cities that respond. They think, learn, and adapt on their own. From managing energy flow to reducing traffic, these AIs act like the invisible brain of a living city. Every sensor, streetlight, and security system is part of a global network. When an accident is about to happen, AI predicts and prevents it. When the city uses too much power, AI automatically redistributes energy. Even waste systems are self-sorting, powered by machine learning models that understand what humans throw away. Saudi Arabia's Neom, Japan's Fukuoka Smart District, and parts of Singapore are already testing these systems. Entire neighborhoods are now managed by AI, traffic, air quality, even emergency response. These cities promise cleaner environments, faster services, and nearly zero waste. It's like living in a simulation, except this one is real. But there's a catch. What happens when AI makes a wrong decision? Who controls the data? And how do we stop misuse? The more power we give these systems, the less we control. The line between progress and dependence is getting thinner every day. The world's first AI-run city isn't a dream anymore. It's the next chapter of human civilization. The question is, will we be ready to live in it? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring the future of AI, science, and technology, hit that subscribe button, because at Novatech Horizon, the future begins before the world catches up.